What's up, y'all? Cuts by Hand. Today we're in the mall, right here in Vintage Fair. We're gonna see if we can find someone to cut. Hey, they're tripping on us. They're over here looking on the cameras right here. As you can see, it's telling us they're gonna call PD, but we're still out here doing our business over here, bro. Nigga, come over here. Look at my boy. Look at my boy's cut right now, bro.
How you feeling today?
Feel blessed, bro. My brother blessed me right now, bro.
Yes, sir.
Something quick, bro. A little C-cup action.
You really out here doing it.
Got the clean blends outside right here. Hear me? Who doing it like us, bro? Right here in front of Vintage Fair. My cuts. Tap in with the blurs, bro.
Tap in with Cut by Hands, bro, right here in front of Vintage. Nobody else does it like my boy, bro. Just keep doing it, bro. Keep doing your thing.
Hell yeah, bro. My boy
Appreciate
right
it,
here.
bro.
All right, bro.
All right, I'll catch you guys, bro.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Let's go.